When your furnace blower motor stops working properly, your entire heating system can struggle to deliver warm air throughout your home. At Home HVAC Services, we provide professional furnace blower motor repair in Westchester, PA, helping homeowners restore comfort and efficiency during the cold winter months. Our experienced HVAC technicians quickly diagnose the issue and perform reliable repairs to get your system operating at peak performance again. We service all major furnace brands and models, using advanced diagnostic tools to identify worn bearings, damaged capacitors, electrical problems, overheating motors, and other common blower motor issues. If you have any questions, contact our furnace blower motor repair team. Are you looking for a furnace blower motor repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What does a furnace blower motor do? The blower motor is responsible for pushing heated air from your furnace through the ductwork and into your home's living spaces. Without a functioning blower motor, your furnace cannot effectively distribute warm air. What are the signs of a bad furnace blower motor? Common signs include weak airflow from vents, unusual squealing or grinding noises, inconsistent heating, frequent system cycling, burning odors, and a furnace that runs but does not circulate air properly. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our furnace blower motor repair have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Wyndon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.